Hi guys, today I'm going to make a super healthy moist chocolate and banana cake. So let's get started. So first you preheat your oven and prep your dry ingredients. So you need a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 cup of oats. You put all the ingredients into the NutriBullet and give it a good shake. Then you start with your wet ingredients. You need 2 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt, a generous portion of dark chocolate, 2 eggs, 4 ripe bananas, and my miracle ingredient, kettle and peanut butter. So you put all the wet ingredients into the NutriBullet. Just keep the chocolate aside for the moment. Everything goes in. So after it's blended, you take the batter and pour into the dry ingredients, sprinkle the chocolate over and mix it well. And that's it. Here we go. So there you go, super moist chocolate and banana cake. Try it out and let me know.